On March 10th, 2025 at approximately 12:06 a.m., the Chino Police Department received a 911 emergency call from a witness reporting a female bleeding from the head after being assaulted by a male who had fled the scene in a white SUV. Here is the 911 call.
Let's find out
911, what is the location of your emergency?
We're going to need an ambulance over to, address is right? I believe it's...
Is the person you're calling about breathing?
She's bleeding pretty bad from her head.
Do you know how she got hurt?
Yeah, I came outside on my lunch break and some guy was beating on her.
CCTV footage of Martinez assaulting the victim. The investigation revealed Martinez confronted the victim in a parking lot and forced her into his vehicle. The victim was able to escape as Martinez ran to his driver's side door. As the victim ran from Martinez's vehicle, Martinez caught her and then slammed her head into a light pole and struck her multiple times. Martinez attempted to drag the victim back into his vehicle again, but was unsuccessful. The victim was transported via ambulance to a local hospital for injuries sustained to her head and face. At 11:30 a.m., detectives located Martinez leaving a residence in the city of Fontana in his white SUV, and detectives attempted a traffic stop.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Let him go. Hey, come back here. Pull that car back up. Pull that back.
David 10, 1033, suspects ramming police cars. 1033, code 3 back, Foothill.
Martinez then led police officers on an extremely dangerous high-speed pursuit on the freeway and surface streets through the cities. During the pursuit, Martinez displayed extreme disregard for the safety of the motoring public, driving at speeds in excess of 100 miles per hour and running multiple red lights. The pursuit ended after a Chino police officer successfully utilized the pit maneuver, which disabled Martinez's vehicle. The pursuit lasted 28 minutes and covered approximately 13 miles. Martinez refused the officer's lawful orders to exit the vehicle and submit to arrest Martinez, instead barricaded himself inside of the vehicle. Crisis negotiators attempted to de-escalate the situation and convince Martinez to peacefully surrender.
You make decisions for yourself. You say your own story. You say your own side of things. You say your own perspective.
I'm right above you,
Don't
right
do anything dumb that makes us make a decision for you. You're doing a good job. Come on out. Open the door all the way. Stand up. Stand straight up. Nothing in your hand.
Martinez suddenly exited the vehicle in an abrupt and aggressive manner. Without warning, the following video could be graphic to some viewers. Viewer discretion is advised.
Jose, if you don't listen to our commands, force will be used against you. Up to and including deadly force.
He immediately adopted a two-handed shooting stance, advancing quickly towards the officers and extending a dark-colored object directly at them, mirroring the actions typically associated with brandishing a firearm. At which time an officer-involved shooting occurred. Officers immediately provided medical aid to Martinez, and he was transported to a local hospital in critical condition.